it's Gianpaolo Lapenna from Colombo Shipyard. I'm the project manager of the 40 Sport Hybrid. Hybrid because she can be double propulsion, that is to say on the diesel mode, the classical mode, or on electric mode. This will be reached running on 3 gensets, 80 kilowatt each from Kohler. But the big feature of this boat is that the same electric motors that are used for the electric propulsion can also be used as shaft generators. This means that during navigation, being on the classical diesel mode, you can turn off the generators, the gensets, and just run on the electric motors, and thus giving all the electrical power needed with the genset off. The advantage of this kind of system is duplicate, because for the owner, when he sails in diesel mode, he will have a quiet navigation at 8 knots without any kind of noise, so it's like being on a sailing boat. And from the environmental point of view, it's really important that when you're running on the electric motors, you are on the genset, and the genset runs at fixed RPM, so the consumption are optimized, and you have no NOx and SOx emission. That is what is really dangerous for the environment. This is because we will not have a transition as for the diesel engines. When you go on the throttle, you make a variation in the RPM, and so this brings to a different temperature of the exhaust system, and so the production of NOx and SOx. Thus, the running generator will go on RPM, and so you with this get lower emission of NOx and SOx. Further, when you are in shaft generator mode, you can completely turn off the genset, and this will permit to not use fuel, less maintenance, and so this is the core.
Hello, I'm Jeffrey from Kingship. So let me show you our newest product. It's a 44-meter Green Voyager. And the whole concept of this boat is that we wanted to bring hybrid efficiency to superyacht boating, because we think that's the next step forward. And for this boat, the whole idea is to have a very long waterline for the displacement yacht, so we can really keep the efficiency up. So for this boat, we will be talking about 2 very small diesel engines, and that would make cruising very efficient at 10 or 11 knots, which would give you the range and efficiency to go across oceans like the Pacific or the Atlantic. But furthermore, the one most important part of this project, as we call it Green Voyager, is a hybrid aspect. So what we can do for you is we can get your diesel powertrains, we can couple them with hybrid technology, and give you actually a battery bank to maybe run your boat without diesel fuel, so no emissions for one night, or we can do a diesel electric powertrain for optimal efficiency. So you can see here, we've actually got a very long water line, and actually with this kind of bow, we get a few extra meters of water, which helps the efficiency very much. But another thing is, with this kind of setup, we actually get even more internal space, so that's a double. We get more space and it's more efficient.
Here is the sail yacht, 50 meters, fiberglass Rolly.
Rolly, yes?
Monaco Yacht. My name is Sabrina Mün. I'm the head of marketing of ZF Marine Propulsion Systems in Friedrichshafen. Here you can see our latest display. It's the ZF 5300 PTI. It's a hybrid-ready transmission, and that's our latest product. We proudly presented the Monaco Yacht here. And this goes in line with our hybrid strategy for ZF Marine. It's out of our 5000 series, and it's our hybrid-ready solution.
So I'm Edwin from Voigt Turbo, and we have on the Monaco Boat Show we have a new thruster. It's called a Voigt inline thruster or Voigt inline propulsor, and it's rim drive technology, which we can show you is a permanent magnetic electrical engine, and the rotor of the engine is the propeller. And you have no mechanical transmissions or whatever. It's a very compact system, and above all it's a very silent system. There are no mechanical transmissions into the vessel, and also from the hydrodynamical point of view it's an optimal design. And we build in these thrusters in offshore applications, but also in mega yachts, for instance like commercial.